Every journey begins at the source, where nature sets the standard.
Only perfectly mature fruit earns its place in the process.
Consistency starts with disciplined selection.
Quality control begins long before machines take over. Handled with care, each fruit keeps its value. Here, harvest meets logistics. Speed matters, but precision matters more. Freshness is protected at every step. From field to factory, the transformation is about to begin. Timing now becomes the invisible ingredient. Distance is shortened by controlled speed. Freshness is guarded by constant measurement.
Even in motion, control is maintained.
Agriculture gives way to industry. Every load is logged, every step recorded. The process now shifts indoors. This is where scale replaces simplicity. The threshold between farm and factory opens. Human skill guides the first machine movement. Order is essential before automation begins. The raw product is finally exposed. From this moment, machines take the lead. Safety locks the foundation of efficiency. Momentum builds as the process awakens. Cleanliness now becomes the priority. Purity begins with controlled force. Every surface is prepared for inspection.
Moisture is removed to reveal true condition.
Human eyes still outperform any sensor.
Standards are enforced without hesitation. Uniformity simplifies every step ahead. Precision begins with measurement.
Nothing moves forward unchecked.
Preparation gives way to transformation. Transformation begins with decisive precision. Nothing unnecessary moves forward. The fruit finally reveals its core.
Efficiency replaces manual labor here. Quality remains under human supervision. Only the usable core is preserved. Nothing is wasted, only redirected.
Purity is restored after every cut.
Now the product is ready to change form.
This is where raw form begins to evolve. Uniform input ensures uniform output.
Precision happens in milliseconds.
Only consistency moves ahead.
Texture and color are carefully stabilized.
Balance is restored after heat.
Technology confirms what standards demand. Flow increases as control tightens. Now, intelligence takes over the line. Automation brings speed without sacrificing control.
Every gram is guided with intention.
Information now flows as fast as the product. The system corrects itself instantly. Safety is enforced at the microscopic level. Zero tolerance is built into the design. Cleanliness runs parallel to productivity. Accuracy is continuously recalculated. Automation hands off to refinement. Perfection is measured in millimeters. This stage defines the final standard. Stability improves with subtle control. Appearance speaks before taste.
Human judgment remains irreplaceable.
Order prepares the product for sealing. Nothing proceeds without approval. Shelf life is extended by science. The product is ready to be preserved.
Before approval, every batch must prove itself.
Random checks ensure consistent trust.
Appearance and protection go hand in hand.
Texture confirms correct processing.
Safety is verified at the microscopic level.
Science validates every assumption.
Every result becomes a permanent record. Only approved product moves forward. Individual units become commercial volume. Identity and traceability are locked in. Efficiency peaks at full scale. Stability ensures safe movement.
Freshness is preserved until departure.
Logistics prepares the final movement.
The product is ready for the world.
And this is how modern factories produce papaya from start to finish.